Hi, this is Becker from enDAQ.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Summarizer plugin. It's a neat little extension to enDAQ Lab that calculates broad metrics from each of a collection of files to help you gain high-level insights from your recordings.
Okay, so let's walk through some of the code that makes up the Summarizer plugin. At the top we have a lot of Python imports that are necessary for some of the functionality that goes on. Some of it is window-related stuff, other parts of it are computational. Here we have one function that is just kind of a useful utility. It will take a directory path from your system and will spit out all of the IDE files that are located in that directory. So that's useful for getting a list of IDE files. So scrolling down a little bit more, we have this function, which will look at a subchannel in an IDE file, and it will collect all of the various metrics that we are interested in. So scrolling down a little bit more, that function gets used in these two functions, which it will take an output file path and a collection of input file paths. For each one of those IDE files, it will look through all of the subchannels and run the summarize function, collecting all of the key metrics that we're interested in. For each one of those key metrics, it will write that list out to the CSV file. So below this function, there's a bit of extra code that's used to generate the window that operates the Summarizer plugin. But aside from that, the majority of the Summarizer plugin is written in about 100 lines of code. It's not especially complicated, it's fairly short and sweet, but it still gives you a lot of utility in analyzing a collection of IDE files all at once in the same context. So for example, if you want your own customizations on the Summarizer plugin, it would take a minimal amount of code to make the changes that you need for your particular application.
As you've seen, the Summarizer plugin is a relatively simple script that provides a lot of value to a broad range of applications. If you'd like a custom script for your specific application, get in touch with us at enDAQ.com. See you next time.